My name is Ivory Gray, and I serve as principal at Clinton Junior High School, where being elite doesn't just happen in the classroom, it happens after school too. Did you know we have over 30 clubs for our students this year? We've got the classics like choir, band, and athletics, but we've added some exciting new options too. Ever wanted to write the next great novel? Join the writing club. Feel like smashing a ball around for fun and fitness? We've got the Pickleball Club. And for those future chefs out there, yes, you can even join our baking club and learn the recipe for success one cookie at a time. These non-traditional clubs give our students a chance to explore passions, try new things, and discover new talents they never knew they had. At Clinton Junior High, we believe every student should have a place to belong, grow, and shine, whether that's on the court, on the stage, or even in the kitchen. So parents, community members, and future students, get ready, because at Clinton Junior High School, extracurriculars aren't extra, they're essential. As always, go Arrows.